I'm Hailey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make crepes or crepes. I don't know which one it is. Let me know in the comments if you know the correct way to pronounce it, because I do not know, and I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I'm just going to go with crepes. Anyways, I'm really excited to be making these, so let's get started. So today we're going to be making sweet crepes. I have 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I have 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm just gonna mix that all together. All right, once those ingredients are mixed together, I am going to add in my eggs. And now I'm gonna whisk the eggs in. And the next thing I'm gonna add is 2 cups of milk. And I'm gonna whisk that in. And once my milk is mixed in, I'm gonna add 2 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now I'm just mixing it in, of course, like I do with everything. All right, the crepe batter is looking good, and now it's time to heat up the skillet so we can make these. So here I have a 12-inch nonstick skillet heating up to medium heat, and I'm gonna put a big chunk of butter. It's about 1/2 tablespoon. And now we're just gonna wait till this melts and then spread it around. Oh my goodness. This is gonna make our crepes so nice and buttery. This is a little tricky. You have to move fast because otherwise it's gonna stick in all the wrong places. You have to pick up the skillet, then pour the batter on, and then kind of swirl it around into a circle. I actually don't know if this is enough batter for my size skillet because the recipe did not say how much to use. So I'm just guessing. All right. And once you pour the batter on, you're gonna let it sit for about a minute until the top is no longer shiny. And then you can flip it. So when I flipped it, this crepe didn't like turn out pretty. But I've heard that the first crepe is never beautiful. So I'm gonna keep trying. Ah, my beautiful messed up crepe. All right, now that I finished my first crepe, I'm just gonna keep putting butter on and then the batter on and doing everything that I was doing until I've used up all the batter. And here it is, the first crepe that I have ever made. I don't know if they're supposed to be this thin. I think I might have done too little batter. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. All right, I'm very excited to try this. This is the first crepe I've ever made and the first crepe I've ever eaten. A lot of people like to put stuff inside their crepes like Nutella or whipped cream or berries, but I'm just gonna try mine plain because I think if it doesn't taste good plain, what's the point of making them? Mmm. Do you hear that crunch? They're like so crisp. I love it. It's kind of like eating a waffle, but it's really flat. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Let me know if you ever make these crepes at home or crepes. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe and ring the notification bell so you can know every time I post a new video. And I'll see you next time. Okay, I'm gonna try to flip this one. It won't come out of the pan. Oops, it went on the floor.